Nowadays, a lot of people are talking that car interiors contain toxic cancer-causing benzene emitted by dashboards, car seats, air fresheners, etc. when parked in heat. In such circumstances, it is advised to open the window to expel trapped hazardous gases before entering and turning on the car AC. Concerning health of people, CrossLink Wheels offers a device that enables you to roll down your car's windows with a key remote before entering the car. A simple click on the transmitter opens the glass of all windows of your car and removes toxic gases from your car. In addition to this, it closes all windows automatically while locking the car. You can roll up or roll down any glass with only single touch from driver side. Additionally, if rear view mirror are motor driven, then with this device you can open and close the side view mirrors also. It has been customized for your car that you do not have to cut any wire to keep your car's warranty intact. You can buy it from any leading car accessory dealer in your city. Alternatively, you can buy online at Flipkart or Amazon.